Hello, guys, and welcome to Tech It Simple. Today, we're going to look at how to turn off Facebook Messenger email notifications. Firstly, let's go to facebook.com. Once Facebook has opened, on the top right side, next to the bell icon, you will find your account. Just click on it, and a pop-up will open showing settings and privacy, help and support, and log out options. Click on Settings and Privacy, then again Settings. Once the Settings page has opened, on the left-hand side, if you scroll down, you will find something like Notifications with a bell icon. Click on it, and it will show you what notifications you receive. Scroll down to the bottom, and it will show us where we receive the notifications. Click on the email, and it will show us the email frequency. It shows all suggested and only required notifications. Click on the Only Required Notifications one, and now you will only receive notifications about your account security, privacy, and pages you manage, and not others. That's it for the video, guys. If you liked this video, do remember to hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.